I don't get it.
When you're living on a dream. What?
Let's get.
You know that this is the song from the Lego.
Everything is awesome over on Grafton Street this morning as Dublin's first Lego store officially opens in just over 1 hour. And of course, Deric is getting a sneak peek. Deric, how are you getting on?
Tommy, how do you not know that team tune? It's fantastic. I love it. Anyway, we're live here. There is fierce excitement building in Dublin City Centre this morning. The woman responsible for bringing so much joy to the country, Natali. Oh my goodness, have you seen the crowds?
Yes, it's so exciting. What a great day for the Lego Group. Finally bringing the first Lego store to Ireland.
And why Dublin? Why Ireland?
We've always had a large fan base in Ireland, and so we're really excited to bring the store to them. They've been asking for it for quite a while.
They've been asking. They have indeed. Now, tell us, how have you, in terms of bringing that kind of Dublin essence into the store, what have you done?
So we've brought in our large 3D models so that are having a cultural reference to Ireland and Dublin. So you will find in the store Irish musicians, you will find a camogie player upstairs, and we do have a personalisation studio where you can build your own minifigure with Irish designs.
Okay, so lots of cultural references as well, but also like you've dipped into the likes of Star Wars, all the favourites as well.
Absolutely. We have everything for all passion points and for fans of all ages. So I can't wait for our fans to come through the door and pick what they like.
Another hour or so to go.
Absolutely.
And they're all eagerly waiting outside, including this man, David from Brick.ie. Now, David, I just learned this morning the word AFOL, which means adult fan of Lego. You're one of those. What makes Lego so special?
Well, it's been around a long, long time in my life. I think a lot of us, love building with material. I mean, there's not much like toys that you can use it like an art. So, like paint. I mean, artists use paint, sculptors use stone, we use bricks. You
use bricks. So for you then, in terms of designs, your creations, what have you done?
Well, the convention centre in Dublin would be one model. The closest one to here, if you can see a Lego fix after you come to the store, would be just 2 blocks away. The National Library is there, all in Lego.
And how long did that take to make?
4 years.
4 years?
With my wife.
With your wife?
Very patient woman.
That was over COVID, was it?
It was indeed, yes.
Okay, wow.
Yeah.
Fun times in your house.
Yeah, well, she's delighted to get the kitchen table back.
I'd say so. And obviously, you've been pushing for this for a long, long time.
Oh yeah, we've been at this for a long, long time. I mean, it was kind of a gap in the geography, wasn't it? It makes it a lot easier for us to get the materials for our big models. They have a great pick-a-brick selection upstairs, so we go along to that and top up quickly.
And you also have your own little display model here. What we've got the pool bed chimneys, but this is your design, David.
Yes, this is the Aviva Stadium. So this model is built on like a micro scale, like an architecture scale.
Okay, how long did that take you to build?
About 4 weeks.
4 weeks, and how many pieces in that?
2,500.
2,500
A lot of them are little bitty pieces. So.
And you've a big fan base right up and down the country, don't you?
Yeah, we have. We have about 800 members in Brick.ie, and we have online meetings, we have physical meetings, and then we of course do a lot of the big events as well. We had one there a couple of weeks ago. And there'll be other events later in the year as well. And
a lot of hardcore fans. We see the queues just outside the door
I've
here.
seen them.
They are egging to get in, aren't they?
They are. Would you blame them?
No, I wouldn't blame them. But are you excited as an adult fan of Lego?
It's absolutely fantastic to be finally here in the store. It really is incredible. I mean, some of the models that are in here, the pick-a-brick, the minifigure builds, and then just the great selection of sets.
Great selection of sets. And you can build your own little mini-me's as well.
Yes.
Which is what I love. So we're going to head up after this to do that. Absolutely. So there we have it, guys. Another hour or so to go until the first Lego store is open in Dublin. And look, Tommy and Wyrne, we even have your own little figures here as well. How cute.
Oh, isn't that nice? Here, if you're doing the little mini-me's, will you make the 3 of us as well, Deric? Or the 4 of us?
I have a busy morning ahead.
You do. I'm definitely an AFO.
Deric, do the people get anything for queuing since 10 o'clock last night when they go in if they're first in?
Oh, come here, Natali. Anyone who's been waiting outside since... There's a little boy who's been waiting since 10 o'clock last night. Does he get anything special?
Yes, he gets to open the store with us, Finn Ryan.
Does he get some free stuff as well?
Well, let's see.
Oh, well, he gets to open the store. I'm going to make her give him some free stuff. I remember, guys, we were chatting about Finn there earlier on because he's going to open up the store. He's a small little fella. Look what we got him. A little loop coaster. Are you excited, Finn?
Yep.
Are you excited? Can you wait to get in?
Nope.
No. So he's got himself a brand new loop coaster. There you go. So we looked after Finn. Very excited fans, though, here, I have to say. Very excited.
It's class.
The pressure. Deric is like, He's not just opening it, you're giving him something for free. Well done,
Yeah, we
Derek.
need to get him something.
Well done.
And you did that. Well done,
Good man.
Derek. Fair play to you, because he's been there since 10 o'clock last night.
There's
Camped
some
through the night with his dad. Amazing.